Good morning, Zimbabwe. Once a soldier, always a soldier. That oath does not expire. Wearing uniform in retirement is not a favor or a privilege. It is law clearly provided for in Defense Act and Police Act the world over. Zana bana mashoko ari kuda panguva ine ari kwanzi vipi Constantine Chiwenga panguva ine aiwa anyasoratidza kuti maoath avakaita kuti vachamirira nyika yeZimbabwe ava vachiri kumauto. Vipi Constantine Chiwenga anyasoratidza kuti is trying by all means kuti aiwa ave abided by that oath, asaita sevamwe angatengesa kana kuti vangangoda kungoti mabribes kuti vatengese aiwa vagare nyika yeZimbabwe ndobva vasubscribe like vatonga bell icon. Kana mjata nendamira chiti. So yes, Mukanya Chiwenga and Vuzijana Mini have every legal and professional right to wear these uniforms whenever they attend defense-related functions. They do so with the exact ranks they held at retirement, because those ranks were earned, not borrowed. General Chiwenga remains on the reserve roll of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, meaning he is on call for life, still bound by the same discipline, responsibility and accountability as any serving general. That is precisely why retired officers retain their uniforms, ranks, and the full respect attached to them. Those who know nothing about security sector protocol must stop exposing their ignorance. Temba Mliswa and Christopher Mnangagwa, before misleading the nation, they must shape up, read the law, and understand the procedures that govern the defense establishment. Otherwise, they will continue embarrassing themselves while the country watches. Ndo mashukano kudaitoka panguva ino aiwa na kerina mjati pamusoro aiwa apo anova vipi Constantine Chiwenga pamwe mini baloi aiwa vakanobuda zvavo pachena vakanopfeka those military gears, especially vipi Constantine Chiwenga aiwa zvanyasoratidza kuti vipi Constantine Chiwenga zvaanenge achiita pamapublic addresses achiti Zimbabwe will never fall, he mean his words. Pana comment section medu zvafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.